The Content Library gives everyone in your school access to relevant online content, including those content providers that your school has a subscription to. Wherever possible, Fusion will provide you with single sign-on access to your online content. So, for example, Britannica ImageQuest simply requires that the school submit the school's partner ID code to the team at My Learning Fusion. We can then set this up so that everyone in your school, when they click on it, it will take them straight into Britannica ImageQuest. Other content providers like Doddle allow us to go in, and the first time you go into Doddle, you put in your login credentials. And from then on, the system will remember them, so that after that first login, you simply click and you'll go straight in. Some content providers don't provide any sort of single sign-on, so they're simply links. So an example of that would be Bitesize or Scratch. And for some content providers, your Fusion platform provides a deeper level of integration. So for example, Flickr or YouTube. If I go in here, I can search that resource from inside Fusion. I simply enter a search, and it searches YouTube live and comes back with some results. I can watch any of these videos, and if I like the video, I simply add it to my clipboard, go to my class, and drop the video in here from my clipboard. And that's it. I've brought a video in from YouTube without leaving Fusion. Going back to the content library. As well as all the integration to content providers, we also provide a bookmarks section. This is where the admin login can set up bookmarks, internet links, for the whole school, where these content providers are not provided in the content providers area. Teachers can also provide bookmarks for their groups. As well as that, we have a YouTube option. This page provides access to various YouTube channels. I'm logged in as admin at the moment, so I can go into any one of these and enable that content for various members of the school community. Once enabled, you can go in here and it provides you with access to that content. So I can go into the library Minute Physics, and just like in the YouTube search, I can go in here and I can add any one of these resources to my clipboard and again drop it back into a class. So that's the content library on your Fusion platform.